a day filled with contests and fun for everyone. So, what are we waiting for? Let's go!
Alright campers, if you're excited to ride, let me hear you say choo-choo.
Sorry, I missed the beginning. Sorry. Pumpkins.
First on the Jamboree roster is the Camp Snoopy Fishing Derby. Looks like Snoopy has caught a lemon. Hey Charlie Brown, what did you get?
I got a mom.
Just goes to show you, of all the Charlie Browns in the world,
He's the Charlie Browniest.
Vote for Lucy! Vote for Lucy! Queen of the Jamboree! There's my sister Lucy, campaigning to be Queen of the Jamboree. I think she's very qualified to be Queen, because she is a royal pig. I heard that! Hey, look! It's the Eagle Scouts. They're busy trying to earn their Working Together merit badge. Looks like they're holding the big sack race. Unfortunately, there's only one contestant this year. I wonder who it could be. As a part of the Jamboree, there's a cabin decorating contest and an award for the cleanest cabin. If you ask me, this is just how the counselors get us kids to keep camp nice and tight. Even the Beagle Scouts have gotten in on the decorating fun. Beagle Scouts are quickly on their way to earning their Helping Someone in Need merit badge.
Hi! I don't need any help. I'm fine. Nothing to see here. Get me out of here, you bloodheads!
I don't think anyone's rushing to help her.
It looks like Beagle Scout Master Snoopy and his troop are working to earn the gardening badge. They're growing a crop of boysenberries. Hey, maybe they could make them into jams and jellies and sell them at their very own roadside stand.
That's
And
crazy.
then they could build their own chicken dinner restaurant.
Oh,
Nah, it would never work.
nah, that's crazy. What's next? At the theme park? Not part of it.
After a long day of competing in contests, there's no better way to end the day than with the Jamboree Jam. So, tap your toes and look at your feet to the Jam and Jamboree.
I love the little picnic tables with the tablecloths and everything.
It looks like the scores have been totaled, and the winners of this year's Jamboree are the Beagle Scouts!
Team Lucy?
There's no
how is
better
one
way to
person a team?
celebrate a Jamboree victory than with some delicious s'mores. Scoutmaster Snoopy and the Beagle Scouts are earning their final merit badge of the day. The badge for sharing.
Aw, because sharing is caring.
We're back at Camp Snoopy Depot. Thanks for riding with us on the Beagle Express. I hope you had as much fun as I did. And now, here's our conductor with some extra information. So long!
Welcome back campers, please remain seated till the train comes to a
fun little
complete
ride.
stop and you hear that long whistle. Once you hear that whistle, you guys are all good to exit over to your right hand side. Thank you for riding with us today and enjoy the rest of your day here at Camp Snoopy.
Sure will. Thanks for watching.